Hello everybody, Zeph here with Zev's Trading. Hope you guys are doing well today. As you can hear, I'm feeling a lot better. March 21st, 2024. Took some NyQuil last night and feel better, so hopefully within the next few days I'll be back to normal. One trade on the day, one win, just downsizing, doing one contract, 2-point stop, 2-point profit target, trying to go for nice consistency, get back into things. It felt a lot better for today. But nonetheless, we'll do our daily chart review and then the 2000 tick chart. Yeah, a lot of good trades today, a lot to go over, so we'll just jump right into it. Price holding right above this 21 EMA as much as possible here. As you can see, break to a new all-time high for today, I should say. Finally got out of this kind of congestion zone here. Pushing its way past 5,300, so we'll see if we can get to 5,350 tomorrow or turn back down to 5,250. Those are my two targets. Nice big round numbers, usually where price likes to go, or just use basic support and resistance levels as such. So that's kind of what it's looking like for the daily chart. Nothing too crazy with it. We'll jump over to the 2000 tick chart now. This is what the 2000 tick chart looks like for today. We had a really nice move up, as you can see. Basically spike, channel up, break new high, come down, break new low. So, you know, some big two-legged moves on a bigger picture if you're zoomed out. But overall, there's actually some pretty good price action here, especially after 1 o'clock. And I took my trade around 11 o'clock, so we'll go over that. And so let's jump into it. Pre-market you had is a nice upward channel. Kind of goes sideways for a bit, break to a new high. And same thing, you just get a downward trend. Red bars closing all on their lows, break, new low, little congested here. And again, just does it again, finds support at the previous here, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, somewhere around here. No triple tests or anything like that to get in here, but just for context-wise, as you're very seeing, it's pretty simple once you're just looking at support and resistance and the swing highs and swing lows. You know, that's where price likes to go. And then as you have this nice upward move here, green bars closing all on their highs after market open, break, new high, get a nice reversal bar here, coming right back down to the EMA. Thought it would be supported here. You're looking for a second entry long, but you never get it. You just get a first entry, break, new low, couple legs to a new low here, and then around 30 minutes, that's when price starts really just kind of upward drifting here. To me, all of this looks too congested here to get in. The only first real kind of aggressive setups that start to come is after 10 o'clock here, as you can see. And, you know, there you could probably draw a channel here if you'd like, something like that. But you basically just have this first entry, pullback, second entry short. Now, this is above the EMA. You're in a very big bullish upward move. So the only thing that you're going to be able to get here, and I just kind of want to point these out so you know what they look like. And this is why they're marked black, because they're super aggressive. You might, you know, this particular one I'd only go for 1 point. You know, EMA is clearly holding. You're in a clear bullish trend, so you're not looking for your 2 points here. But nonetheless, nice, really clean lower high. This high is lower than the previous high, as you can see. And so that's nice little trade here for a very quick scalp. You know, 4 ticks. You're looking for the 4 ticks on maybe something like this. And again, just a repeat pattern, as you can see, happens again. A little while after, come up, you just get a first entry, and then you get a nice double matching bar high, and you get a nice lower high is here. So there are very aggressive trades, as you can see, but nonetheless, I just want to point them out so you guys know what to look for when you are in a, say, downward trend or at the top of a trading range. And, you know, this one, I actually like this one more than anything because you're kind of already back at this previous swing high here. Okay, so nonetheless, then you find some support, again, back at usually where the most congestion is, as you can see across the board here. Nice support at, what's that, 53.12? Yeah, 53.12. Or right at this midline here for this trading range. You know, unfortunately, you only get a first entry, pulls back, you get a second entry long, but no good signal bar or anything like that. Rejects off EMA, just congestion across the board here, nothing to get in. And you get a nice big bullish bar closing on its high. You know, 1, 2, you could call this double bottom. You're looking for price to at least go back up to this swing high or make a new high. And that's where I see this happen as well. So as I was looking at this Huge congestion across the board here. I'm looking for a reversal back down as price did not break above its high. And so as I see this happen, comes up across, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of multiple data points here. Major congestion. You have first entry long, pulls back, second entry long. And I saw this and I was like, well, here's the thing. This could be a failed breakout, and it came down, get a nice bar, kind of doji bar closing on this upper 1/3 at least. No body or anything, just full stem. But I see this nice, also signal bar close across here, as you can see, for this failed second entry long. So you have, from our high, we have first entry long, pulls back, second entry long, and right at the EMA, as this slammed down, as you can see where this closed right below the 21 EMA here, I was like, well, this is going to be probably a failed second entry long. That's my guess, because it's always a guess on trade-by-trade basis. But we go one tick below, and we get our 2 points, and I was looking for it to move back down to at least here or here, so that was plenty of room for my 2 points. And that was a failed second entry long, as I could see. Good context, I think, with the reversal as well. I'm trying to get better with these failed second entries, and it requires a lot of good context. And I like this one particularly. I see multiple matching data points on the high here. If you want to call this a whole double top, however you want to make it in your context view. But nonetheless, I like it. First entry long, second entry long failure. Got my 2 points. That was trade for today. I had to move some more stuff from the previous house, so I left after this, but I came back and I still marked everything up in order to do the chart review for you guys. Then we have a nice spike and channel, as you can see. I like this trade as well. There is a first entry long, pulls back, second entry long, then a higher low. Again, these are only like 4 tick moves though. This, a lot of overlapping bars. But you do get a really nice triple test here. Nice signal bar, 1, 2, 3, triple test. Take that any time of the day. Plenty of room back up to this high here if you were doing a trading range or this bullish channel. Great trade there. And then it just starts to sell off. And this is where we start getting our really good trades. And unfortunately, I didn't come back until about 2 o'clock. And after that, kind of stopped trading and didn't really see anything too well that I liked. But yeah, so we get up to this trading range here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just major resistance across the board here, all around here at 53.22, 75 on the high of the day. Then it just starts to sell off here, and then we get we just get a first entry short. So now we're only looking for moves on the down. And I realize this as, you could realize this as 1, 2, 3. You have your 3 data points. So here, without the hindsight, 1, 2, 3, you're like, okay, well, this might be now a bearish channel. So nonetheless, you get a first entry short, first entry short, first entry, second entry short, but not a good enough signal bar. Price is really respecting this downward channel, and the 21 EMA is poking through it, but coming back down, poking through it. Then you get this really good second entry, counting from this bottom here. There's a double bottom, so resets the count. So you get a first entry, pulls back, second entry short, nice signal bar, closing on its low. Rejection off the trend channel. Take that any time of the day, and plenty of room back to the lows. Then it kind of gets congested around here, around 2 o'clock. I come back. That's kind of where I see it. I just don't see too much after that. But, it just kind of sells all the way off, and it goes right back to where you suspect. Previous swing low right here at 53.02, 53.03. And you get a first entry, pulls back, second entry short, outside bar closing on its lowish 1/3. Like to see it close a little lower. I'd enter 1 tick below the signal bar, or wait for it and then drop a limit order and try to get it. Just make sure your stop is 1 tick above this. And again, you might be only going for maybe 6 ticks here, depending on how. There's clearly support across the board here, even when you're looking at it without hindsight. And you're looking for a move back to at least 302. And you get it, pokes through, but comes back. Then you get a really nice triple test here, 1, 2, 3, triple test. Great signal bar closing on its high with a higher low as well. Beautiful trade there. I wasn't really focused. I was kind of messing with the Discord and everything like that, trying to catch up on any messages. So nonetheless, great trade. Can't catch them all. But yeah, then it kind of just sells off. For the rest, we finally get the break, new low. Right here of this second leg down, and yeah, now we're just crawling back up after market closed. Pretty choppy after this. You don't really get anything else in here. I wouldn't enter anything in here, but that's kind of what it looked like for today. Again, a lot of good trades today. I was pretty pleasantly surprised with it. And yeah, we'll be back for it tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy this chart review, and I'll see you guys next time.